Hey friends, Microsoft Office is an incredibly useful tool, with Word and Excel being the most popular applications, and in this video, I'll show you a step-by-step process on how to legally activate Microsoft Office Suite Professional Plus 2024 for free. Let's dive in. Before installing the new version, you need to uninstall the previous version of Microsoft Office LTSC. To do so, go to the Control panel, then go to Program and Features, and here find Microsoft Office to uninstall it. In my case, I have the Microsoft Office LTSC Professional Plus 2021 version. Select it, and then click on Uninstall. Once the uninstallation is complete, restart your computer. After the computer reboots, open your browser and search for Office Customization tool. Then click on the first link. This will take you to the Office Customization tool page. Here, under the tab Product and Releases, we need to choose which architecture you want to deploy. If you have Windows 11, then choose 64-bit, but if you are on any previous versions of Windows, then you need to check your architecture. To do so, go to Control Panel, then click on System. Here you can see your architecture in System type. As mine is 64-bit, I will select it. Under the product, choose the apps you want. The first is Office Suites. Here, click to expand the options, then scroll and select Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024 Volume License. Others leave as it is. Here in the apps, you can deselect any app you don't have use of, then click Next. Here, choose your primary language. For me, I choose English. Then click Next. Here under Installation, leave the setting as it is. Then click Next. Here under Update and Upgrade options, scroll down and under the Upgrade options, disable the option Uninstall any MSI version of Office including Visio and Project. Then click Next. Here for licensing, keep it as it is. Then click Next. Here under the General tab, just leave everything blank and click Next. The last tab is Application Preferences. Leave it as it is and scroll down and click on Finish. Then here, click on Export. Then choose Office Open XML format. Then click OK. Then accept the terms and conditions. Here you can see the file name is configuration. Keep it as it is. Then click Export. After which an XML file will be downloaded. You will find this file in the Downloads. Now let's open a new tab in the browser. Here type Office Deployment Tool. Then press Enter. Here click on this web page. Then click on Download and this tool will be downloaded. Then from here open the Downloaded Files folder. Copy these two files and paste it in a new folder. I will create a new folder in Disk C. And will name the folder as Office 2024. Here I will paste the two downloaded files. Now right-click on the Office Deployment tool and run it as administrator. Then click on Run. Then click here to accept the terms and then click on Continue. Then here choose the folder Office 2024 which we just created in Disk C. Then click OK and two more files will be downloaded in the folder and keep it open. After this, open the command prompt and run it as administrator. Then go to the open folder and copy its path. To find the path, click on this arrow and here you can see the path of the folder. To copy this, select the path and press the Ctrl and C keys together. Then here in the command prompt, type CD, then press the space key and paste the copied path by pressing the Ctrl and V keys together. Then press the Enter key, after which we are in the Office 2024 path. Now type Setup. Then press the / key and type configure configuration.xml. Then press the Enter key, after which download will start, and it will take some time depending on your internet speed. In my case, it took about 20 minutes after download and installation completes. Open the Microsoft Word. Then click on Account to check whether activation has been done. And here you can see the product is activated. We can also check this with Microsoft Excel. Now here you can see the product activation is successful. So for this, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel.